Ilalagay dyan. Okay, ayan. Ito, record ko. Ito yung pagkain namin at simple lang. May pansit at saka salad. Yung pinakbet, Angelica, kunin mo na. At si Mama nandito siya ang nag-prepare. Thank you, Mama, for preparing the food. And Angelica is the prep cook. Yeah, meron dito. Yeah, apple cider lang. Tapos si Mama naman kay Mama naman low-fat soy milk. Yan. Ito lang kami, mga prutas dyan. Kaya magse-celebrate lang kami ng simple at i-join namin kayo ha. Parang kayo naman makita nyo rin na parang nandyan na lang din kami.
Just a little. Just a little drop.
Yung soy milk ang inanom mo
Hindi na more.
Naubos na. Okay.
Just a little.
Just a little. Then we will have a toast. Okay. Angelica.
Mine.
Yeah.
Oh.
Just a little. Yeah. Okay. Just a little.
Why is more for?
Yeah. Okay. There. Bottoms up. And we're going to, and this is the lumpia. Yeah, that's lumpia. What kind of lumpia is this, Mama?
Meat lumpia.
Meat lumpia, yeah. But they
carrots.
not so oily because we.
It's with carrots and bell pepper.
Okay, so we have.
Lumpia Shanghai.
We have a simple celebration here, and we have some pinakbet. The patros will cook, so it's so hot to eat later, and that's it. I think
Come on. Happy New Year.
we will just say thank you, Papa Jesus, for another year, and thank you for the new year. We're looking ahead for the coming year. Cheers! Happy New Year, Mama!
Sabay-sabay.
Mama, Angelica, love you. Angelica, love you, Mama. I'm here also. Okay, ready? Toast, cheers, Happy New Year! 2011,
Toast na.
January 1st.
Dad. Ay, kala. Ako na siya.
Ayan.
Kasindera.
Hindi, wala namang to. So, ayan.
Apple
Then, just get something like this, and we make a sauce for this one.
Sukang Ilocos.
Yeah, like sukang Ilocos. Yeah, then just put this one here,
Pulutan.
and it's like pulutan. Crunchy. Yum, yum, yum.
Yeah, I don't like it without the sauce. Oh, I like it without the sauce.
Let's have some salad. Lettuce. Okay, so we'll get some